So when I go to areas for a bit of camping and stuff like that, obviously I've got quite a lot of equipment. So this is, obviously I've got permission to beat this bit, so I come here often. But whenever I go somewhere and it's just a random area, if I find it, we'll always leave it the same. So that fire pit, I've got permission, I use the same spot every time. So anytime you see fires and that, it's that one. Normally I use the stove inside the tent in the winter and stuff like that. But yeah, everything will begin getting taken away. Got a hammock over there just for a bit of chill time, axe and that, and I'll put everything away. So I'll show you, this is what it's like once I finish. So everything's a bit everywhere just now because I've been farting about this morning. So I'll take a wee video after I'm tidied up and packed away. But it's been a pleasure again this wee bit, I love it, underneath the big beech trees. The rope swing, I had it up there earlier on, so I've took it down because I'll just take that away each time. I always do not, so that it's easy to release. But yeah, been a pleasure. Right, so next on the list is we've got this wee toilet slash cubicles, shower room, changing room. So got a toilet in there, so I'll dismantle this and show you how I do that, okay? Same with the toilet. Right, so first of all we take all these wee pegs out. Quite soft this ground, so it comes out easy, but you take all these guide ropes out. Oh, there's a light as well, I better take that out. Not showed you this, but that's the light. I obviously hang it up. They've got two of them and it goes into the big generator. It's just like a normal house switch, but you put it on. It's not plugged in now. But you turn it on, that's me getting outside light for in the shower, or in the toilet. And there's also one that I hang out here. Now, I don't put it in the tent because I've found that the wee midges and that seem to still get bloody in, so I put it out here and you can see the moths and that and all the flies going for it, but they can't get in, and they just bounce off that bit. But yeah, right, anyway, we'll get this done. Show you how I fold it. Take these, there's 4 out in each corner. I think one's missing, so I didn't do that. And then These other back ones are just tied to the fence, so they were just on that, but I took them off. Yeah, I'll need to sit this down, so I need 2 hands to fold this. Try and get a picture out, okay? Right, first of all, I need to zip it up, so. Fold it all together, like that, right? And then what I do is I get the bigger end to here and fold it down and twist it in. So, and that's that away. So. Right, next we have the folding toilet. So this one's a wee bit more difficult. That's what tricks in fact to this wee bit. Eventually it just all sits nice and neat. We'll get it. Yay. That's that packed away as well. Right, just the tent and the camping bed to go in with, I think anyway, unless there's wee bits lying. Yeah, right, I'll pull that out so it's easier. I'll just do that last. Yeah, that's a camping bed. Dead light, doesn't damage. My feet hang on the edge and it's brilliant, so I don't like it, my feet touch the ground, so aye. Just a bolt I just in there a bit again. There's a wee beetle. How'd you get in here? Come on out. Come on, climb up. Climb. Go. I'm going to kill you. Come on. Right, that's right. Right, you get some digs elsewhere, pal. This show's finished. Right, same with this. Just got to open it, yeah. Right, I prefer shutting all the zips as well before I fold it up. It keeps everything from getting damaged and stuff like that. So. Sorry, pressed the button there and it cut out. So yeah, take all these wee side ones out first. It's got a bit of rope on it, and you pull that and it makes it easier. As I said, this ground's really soft, so it's quite easy. But it's still there, but they're handy. So that's all the side ones out, that puts all the tension in the tent, and then you stick in there. You've got these two that hold up the main poles, just like a Dutch Army tent that I've got, but take these ones off and then the poles off holding. So, see that? So it all falls down. You pull this one out, and that's telescopical as well. What word today? Telescopical. But yeah, same on the other side. Take the tension on it. It drops in, take the pole out, gets like that, and then it's all folding. All these poles, they just fold in like that, down the bag. fit your pegs out before at the side. It's a wee foldy job. Next it's the camping bed and then it's me. So it sits in here, holes are in there as well, so if you roll it up a bit better it's in easier, but it still goes. So as I say, this is quite a lot of stuff to set up most of the time, but it's worth it once you've got it all done. That's like 3 journeys back and forth to the car with the stuff and then things. But I normally kind of do it halfway, take stuff off down halfway and then again. It's the same when I was doing the gardens, you'd make life easier if you do things, let's break it up a wee bit. I'm in the rush, so this isn't everything. Oh yeah, that's that, you tent in there, poles and stuff. Now it's just a camping bed. Right, before I put that tent away, that's the pegs that come with it. It's quite sturdy, lightweight as well compared to the other ones, and they've got this wee groove thing that's in there. And that catches the guide rope when you've got it in your tent. But handy wee pegs, you can get loads of them. Sometimes you leave them in the ground, but better go round perimeter check once you've left, obviously take everything away. But yeah, as I say, back to this bed, dismantled, and then that's me fully packed up. The bed's a Euro hike, so it's got the 4 legs at the bottom, keeps you off the ground. It's quite a good thing, because I don't like things crawling up on me and stuff like that, so less chance of it happening. The only thing I don't like is when I set it up, see these bits here, they're meant to go over here. I've seen designs where it's got like a wee tag on it, a wee thing to pull, and it pulls it over, it helps it, so I just have to put my feet at that end and it hangs over the top and that. But it's well big enough. I just prefer my feet hanging over the top of it. But yeah, turn it over and dismantle it and show us how to do it. So you pull these bits away. This is hard to do when you're holding the camera, but you can either take it like that or separate it. So I'll separate it and put it in the bag. Everything just pulls it like that. Takes a wee bit of time, that bed, that's only time in the bum with it, but it's a good bed and I've had it for about 2 years, so right, so it's better off folding this before you put the bars in. There you go, everything's packed. Just my axe and stuff to go, and that's it. But yeah, tidy camp, nothing left, and that's why the farmer lets me come here. So if I had the money, or hit me an offer, I would love this wee place. But at least I've got the agreement with him, and he knows I come here. He's happy, like his workers not know who I'm and stuff like that. So no problem is I think they shoot IID and stuff sometimes, so I've got to ask when they're doing that. So obviously I'm on in the way with my camouflage gear on. So yeah, anyway, tidied up for I think I've done 3 days. Back home and get a proper shower and tidy that house. Can't be arsed already. Right, anyway, take care everyone. Done.